Well, I'm at my neighbour's house, and the reason I'm at my neighbour's house is because it's a little bit quieter. Dad and his friends have got together, so it's a little bit noisy, and we have a surprise, a really, really, really nice surprise. Pi's waiting there to unbox it. There you go, we got another package. Now I have to admit, I know exactly what's inside this box. And it's something that Pi and I have really, really wanted. It's going to help our vlog enormously. Before we get to the unboxing, we would just like to say a massive, and I mean massive, thank you to Robert Duffy, who supplied this for us. We can't thank you enough, Robert. Thank you so, so much. It's going to help enormously. It's going to improve the quality of our vlogs no end. And I've got a little man here who just can't wait to unbox it. Are you ready? Good, huh? These are my neighbours. Ever such nice folk. And as you can see, he's making his little bamboo strings at the moment for his chicken cages. Yes, he does like to open boxes. He just loves it. Now there you go, guys. That there is the new Feiyu G5 3-axis handheld gimbal. It is specifically designed to cut out shake on a camera. It means that we can now produce much smoother content. Are you happy there, honey? Robert, as you can see, Pi is delighted and I'm absolutely thrilled. Thank you so, so much. What a gift. And there you go, guys. That there is the new G5 handheld gimbal. It is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. It's got a beautiful feel to it. It's like a soft rubberized grip here, and these are all the control buttons here. Oh, we're going to have fun with this. And again, you know, its sole purpose really is to make our videos so much smoother. It's a fabulous gift, absolutely incredible. How beautiful is that? Well, I suppose the next stage is to really get this set up and see how it works. Oh, I'm so excited. Nice, isn't it? Isn't that nice? That there is the next filmmaker. The first thing we have to do is set it up. It's for the GoPro Hero 5 Black. It'll take the Hero 4 and 3 as well. But there's a counterweight here that they supply specifically for the Hero 5 Black. So first things first, we're going to set this up and then give it a test. Now this comes with some cables as well and a battery. So it comes with charging cables. I'll just pop everything open. Now this little cable is one of the best things about this particular gimbal, because you can plug it into the gimbal and then the Hero 5 Black, and it'll charge the camera while you're on the go. It basically gives you up to 8 hours battery life on the camera. Normally you only get about 2 hours at best out of the GoPro, so it really does boost the capability of the camera. It's only a small little thing, but how cute is that? And it's so, so useful. We have, of course, the USB connector, so you can charge the gimbal. and we have this huge battery, and it's huge. So we'll open this up and pop it straight in the gimbal. So there you go guys, that's the battery, and it's a whopper. Now I can't actually tell you what the battery says because I've not got my glasses on, so just a second. It's a 3000 mAh, 3.7 volts. And this unscrews and it plops in there, and you just screw it back on. So now what I've got to do is actually take off the counterbalance here and put on the additional counterbalance that they give you for the Hero 5 Black, and it literally just plops over there, just fits nicely on there, and then you should be able to just put that on there and screw it in. And that is it pretty much set up. All I have to do now is install the camera and turn it on. I can't wait, I really can't. Well, I'm actually using the new Feiyu G5 gimbal, and it is fantastic. Now you're probably asking yourself, well Graham, how good is it? I mean, you know, how stable is this thing? Well, there was only one way that Pi and I could really find out, and that was to do a test. And the best way to do it was the farm road. Now you all know the farm road's full of potholes. I mean, that road is just awful, and we've taken lots of video along there in the past, but of course it's very, very shaky because you're on a motorbike and you're running over all these potholes. Well, last night Pi and I went to the farm and fed all the animals, and then got back on the motorbike, and Pi said to me, do you know, it's a beautiful sunset, can I do some filming using the new Feiyu tech? And I said, yeah, absolutely. So she sat on the back of the motorbike and off we went. Take a look at this guys, it is buttery smooth. It's an absolutely fantastic gimbal. There's just almost no shake at all. Now again, you have to consider just how rough these roads are. So take a look. If it's morning where you are, grab yourself a cup of coffee, and if it's in the evening, grab a nice gin and tonic. Sit back, relax, listen to a nice little bit of music and watch the sunset. Well, Pi and I are playing with our new Feiyu Tech G5 gimbal, and it is really, really good. As you've seen, it does add a huge amount of stabilisation to the footage, so yeah, really, really pleased. Robert, thank you so much. We couldn't be more grateful if we tried. For all of our other subscribers, I'd like to point out that Mr. Duffy is actually Colonel Duffy. He was a long-serving veteran in the US Army. So Colonel Duffy, Pi and I are extremely grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Robert. Thank you so much.
Everybody is extremely happy. Thank you. This gimbal has got so many functions on it regarding pan, tilt and hold as well. It's really very, very good. Normally when we walk upstairs like this, it's pretty unstable, the footage, but yeah, this is going to be really, really smooth. It's just lovely. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. I'm quite surprised just how heavy it is. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful here in this temple. This is another one of our local temples though. It is so nice. The artwork is just incredible. How pretty is that though? I just like anything like this. The architecture is just fabulous. I'm going to say this, it's going to take a little while to get used to. One of the things I've noticed about the gimbal, it actually forces you to slow down, which is a really good thing. I have a tendency to go a little bit fast with my videos at times, and it does make it a bit jerky. But the way these motors work, it's a little bit slower. So you do have to slow yourself down, but again, it's quite beneficial because it allows you time to think about what you're doing. They've got some great temples here, they really have. I think the ones in northern Thailand I've seen so far have been far better than I saw in the south. I just love these doors. Temple doors, the carvings on some of these are just incredible. Just look at the artwork that's gone into this. Pi said there are some wonderful views right at the back of the temple, so I'm going to go and take a look. And how about that for a view, guys? Now across there is the new walkway that we went on a few weeks ago, as you get to see all down the Mekong River. And of course you've got Laos across the other side. Well, Pi's having a go at the gimbal and she's loving it. It's so good, it is. I have a sneaking suspicion that the calibration is slightly out. It looks to me like the camera's tilting, but only just slightly. I'm going to have a look on YouTube and find out why. I think I'm missing something in the calibration. I'm sure I'm doing something just slightly wrong. But again, this type of thing is trial and error. When you're new to something, unless you try, you won't know. But brilliant. Yeah, we're very, very happy with it. Again, thanks so much, Robert. It's just a great gift. It helps enormously in what we do. Well, that's about all from Pi and I today, so we're going to sign off. Thank you very much again. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Whatever you do, have a fantastic day and stay safe. Bye for now, guys.